Hi guys, welcome to a video, and today we are playing a horror game, The Mirror. Now this game thinks, oh, this isn't scary, guys. Well, yeah, it is scary, okay? Now if you look and, okay, wait. I'm not sure what. But anyways, guys, if you look in the mirror too long, something scary is gonna happen. And I have seen this, but I guess we'll just look in. I wanna look at myself. But guys, in the video, I just saw called getting closer. No, we just. I'm scared, guys. I'm scared. Oh no. Yeah, I don't want to be revealed. But anyway, so I just tried to be funny. I'm scared. For real. I don't want to be exposed or anything. I'm scared. I'm just gonna bring light. I'm too scared. What does sketchy mean, Mom? Mom, what does sketchy mean? We just gotta look in it very close. Now, this is scary. Now, I'll just look on it for too long. Now I'm just gonna be like I'm AFK. Yep. That will happen. Alright. Yeah, well, I think this is a little bit like, oh, and now she's screaming. Uh-oh, okay. I thought something scary is gonna happen. Yeah, I'm scared. Huh? Just did sound at the same time. Mirror, hello? Get closer. So I gotta get closer. So let's just get closer. I'm scared. So I'm a scared cat. Well, I don't know what's gonna happen. Bless me. Serious, that's just a sneeze. You guys saw that? I twitched. I'm twitching. My head! It's moving! Guys! Oh no, guys! My head, it's moving, guys. I'm scared. Oh my god. What? Oh my gosh. I am scared. You guys see that? I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. No. Come on. Me? What? Okay. Well, I'll turn off the music. It's too scary. No, I don't like it. It says me. Scared. Won't there be me coming out? Something. It's too much. Oh my gosh, guys, my body is moving. Oh my gosh. No, this can't be happening. Oh my gosh! What? Nothing. It's no. Oh my gosh. Oh, what? Monster beast. Something's behind me. What? Oh my gosh. Guys. That's no. I think it was that sound. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! There's me! There's me, guys! Look! There's me! There is me, guys! Look! Oh! What? It's me. Wait. A bunny? A bunny? Yeah. Kicked from that. I was not expecting. But anyway, guys, yeah. That's well, that is the end of